In the teaching of therapeutics, too exclusive attention has been given to the study of drugs and drug medication. Dietetics, electrotherapy, hydrotherapy, and particularly masotherapy and kinesiotherapy have been so greatly neglected that it is not strange that men impressed with the value of these procedures should have undertaken to create of them a specialty and a new sect in medicine. Massage is the intentional and systematic therapeutic manipulation of the human body's soft tissues. Massage therapists manipulate the soft tissue using their hand, foot, arm, or elbow. Joint movements and stretching are often integrated into the practice of massage therapy. State law may vary in their legal definition of massage therapy. Massage is an ancient remedy. The history of Chinese medicine refers to acupuncture, moxa, and massage. As early as 3000 BC, Chinese books described a massage technique called ama. The early Indian medical writings, Ayurveda, mention massage. Greek and Roman gladiators used massage to relieve pain and bruises and to invigorate the body. Hippocrates, around 400 BC, was one of the first to discuss the qualities and contraindications of massage. Per Henrik Ling of Sweden, 1776 through 1839, a fencing master and instructor of gymnastics, is the father of Swedish massage. Hippocrates learned massage as well as gymnastics from his teacher Herodotus, the founder of medical gymnastics. Hippocrates, the renowned Greek physician, made extensive use of this mode of treatment, designating it anatripsis, the use of friction or rubbing as therapy, a form of massage. He evidently appreciated the principles of the art very well, as he directed that friction should be applied centripetally, or in the direction of the veins. That he understood his effects of different modes of application is shown by the following quotation from his works. Friction can relax, brace, fleshen, attenuate. Asclepiades, another eminent Greek physician, held the practice of this art in such an esteem that he abandoned the use of medicines of all sorts, relying exclusively upon massage, which he claimed effects a cure by restoring to the nutritive fluids their natural free movement. It was this physician who made the discovery that sleep might be induced by gentle stroking massage techniques. Plutarch tells us that Julius Caesar, a century before the Christian era, had himself pinched all over daily for neuralgia. It is well known that Julius Caesar was subject to a severe nervous disorder, epilepsy, and is more than probable that his prodigious labors were only rendered possible by the aid derived from massage. Pliny, the great Roman naturalist, had himself rubbed for the relief of chronic asthma. Arrian recommended massage for horses and dogs, asserting that it would strengthen the limbs, render the hair soft and glossy, and cleanse the skin. Celsus, the most eminent of all Roman physicians who lived at the beginning of the present era, was very familiar with massage and used great discretion in its applications. He recommended manipulations for the head for the relief of headaches and general manipulations to restore the surface circulation in fever, making this wise remark: a patient is in a bad state when the exterior of the body is cold, the interior hot with thirst, but indeed, also, the only safeguard lies in rubbing. Galen, the greatest physician of his time, in the 2nd century recommended massage in many diseases. He seems to have had a good understanding of the various forms of friction and kneading. Paracelsus, who flourished at Basel, Switzerland 400 years ago, made great use of massage. and taught it to his pupils in the medical school of that city. Massage has been used in France for 200 years. It was such employed in the early part of the present century by eminent English surgeons, especially in the treatment of sprains and other injuries of the joints. Its use in modern times, however, is chiefly due to its systematic development and employment by Metzger of Amsterdam. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for part 2 of the history of massage. And if you're looking for the perfect massage therapist for you, check out my website, sandorsmassageservices.com. Be well.